How about those cross carts? They've got Gixxer 750 motors in them. They're about ready to go out on the ice. We're gonna video a little bit. See how these things rip. And we're here up in Maine, and we got our burnout car right over there in the trailer. We got a nice track cloud out there, about 2-mile track cloud. And we're here to try our burnout car on the ice, see what happens. But first, we're gonna see these guys rip. See how these guys do. They look like a blast. Gixxer 750 motor in there, Street Bike engine, independent suspension. Boy, it looks like a blast. Here comes the cross carts. A couple of them are out there anyways, just for practice.
Actually steaming.
Uh-oh, did something happen? Shut it down.
Oh, the plow's over there.
Oh, the plow, yep.